Hello students, welcome back to my online class video standard 5th subject maths. Today we will learn about percentage and average. So I'm going to explain you in detail about how to find out the percentage and how to find out the average by using the formula of percentage and used to express the marks scored by students. Ajay scored 30 out of 15 mathematics, 20 out of 25 in science, 15 out of 20 in English. In which subject has Ajay scored the highest mark? How can compare his marks? So answer that is to compare we need a common scale of marks. Mathematics 30 upon 50, science 20 is different. So that is why here we find out the LCM. So our LCM is 100. So let's change the denominator by using this LCM. Multiply 50 into 2. Then total is 100. Next multiply 25 into 4. Total is 100. Same multiply in the numerator 20 into 4. Next multiply 20 with 5 equal to 5. Change the numerator 15 into 5 75. So 80 upon 100, 75 upon 100. Therefore, Ajay has scored the highest mark in science. Here we have converted the marks for maximum of 100. The value so obtained is called percentage. The word per means out of and the cent of 100. Exercise. See, the fraction is given 57 upon 100. Numerator and denominator value is given. So here we convert the fraction into percentage. So 75 upon 100 equals to 75%. Here we divide. So we will get the 57 percentage. Here you can see one more fraction is given, but here we convert this fraction as percentage. So here we multiply the number with 20, 1 upon 5. So here we have to convert the denominators into 100. So what we multiply with 5, so we will get 100. So here we multiply 5 with 20, then we will get 100. Here you can see the first sum 1 upon 5, that means 5 into 20 equals to 100. If you multiply 20 in the denominator, same we multiply 20 in numerators, 1 into 20 and 5 into 20 upon 100 equals to 20%. Next example 1 upon 4. 124 multiplied by 25 equals to 100. So here we change this fraction. Next from exercise 1.3, here I'm going to explain you how to find out how how to convert the percentage as fractions. So here you can see the heading express the following percentage as fraction. So percentage is given, the question is in percentage and we convert the percentage into fraction. So percentage is given, so that is why here we write the 100 as denominator. So write 23% equal to 23 upon 100. This is your answer. Next 45% equal to, percentage is given, so write 100 as denominator, 45 upon 100. If you need to do the calculation cancellation method, so you can then cut the 45 with 9 and cut the 100 with 20. So here cancel the 45 and 100 with 9 and 20. Here we reduce the number with less number, so write 9 upon 20. Next, you can see here, you can see our question is in mixed fraction, percentage is given. So here we change the mixed fraction percentage into a proper fraction. So here we multiply 12 into 3 plus 1. So write like this, and denominator same as it is, you can write upon 3. So 23 12 into 3 equals to 36 plus 1 upon 3. So add both the number, 36 plus 1, that means 37 upon 3. So here we change the following percentage into a fraction. So percentage is given, so that is why here we multiply with question 1 upon 100. So here we write 37 upon 3 into 1 upon 100 equal to 37 upon 300. 37 ones are 37 and 3 into 100, that is 300. 3 into 100, 300 is a 300. So next, exercise 1.4. Here we will learn something new. Here we change the decimal into a fraction. So our answer is in a percentage. Sorry, not fraction, in percentage. So here we multiply 100 with every questions, because here we change the decimal as percentage. So that is why here we multiply 100 with all decimal number. First question, here you can see 0.03 is given. So write in the circle bracket 0.03 into 100, bracket close, and give the sign of percentage. Then multiply 0.03 with 100 equal to 3% is your answer. Next, 0.49. So multiply 0.49 with 100, because percentage is given. So that is why here we multiply 100 with 0.490, and our answer is 49%. Next topic is conversion of percentage to decimal. Percentage is given, and here we convert the percentage into a decimal. So our answer is look like into a decimal. When a number is given in percentage, we have to express the number in the fractional with 100 as denominator and then convert it to decimal. So here we write the 100 in the denominator. So our answer is converted into a decimal. So here you can see one example is given. Convert 39% to decimal. So write 39%. This is a question equal to 39 upon 100, because here we convert the percentage into decimal. So it is compulsory to write 100. So here we give the decimal in the place value of 100. So write 0.39. So this is your answer. In this exercise, I am going to explain you another example from this exercise 1.5. Convert the following percentage to decimal. Our question is given in percentage, and here we change our question into a decimal. So write 34 upon 100. First question is 34%, then write 34% equal to 34 upon 100. So give the 100 in the give the point in the place value of 100. So point, the decimal is shown in the place value of 100. So write 0.34. So this is answer 0.34, and 100 is on the place value of 100. So give the decimal in the place value of 100, then write 0.34. Like this we change the percentage to decimal. Next, 1.6. In this exercise we'll learn something new. First question is about find the value of the following percentage. So here we are finding the value of following percentage. The amount is given 280, and here we are finding the 25% of this particular amount. So we know only percentage, but we don't know the percentage of this particular amount. So write 25 upon 100. Why we are writing it upon 100? Because 25% is given, so that is why here we write denominator as 100. Then write 25 upon 100 into 280. Then cut both the 0, then cut 10 with 2 and 28 with 14 and 25 with 5. So the rest value is only 5 and 14 is there. So multiply both the number, then we will get 5 into 14, that means 14 5 is 70. So 25 percentage of 280 equal to 70. So 70 is your answer. Next, question number 2. Find the value of the following. Here the particular amount is given and the percentage of the particular amount is given, but we don't know the percentage, but we know the percentage value is 14. The percentage value is 14 and the our rupees is 70. So here we are going to finding the percentage of this particular amount. So write 14 upon 70 into 100. We cut both the 0, then cut 7 upon 7 and 14. 7 to the 14. So rest amount is 2 into 10. So 2 into 10 equals to 20%. So 14 is a 20% of 70. So due to this way, we're finding the percentage, finding the value of the following number. Next, word problem of percentage. So here we are going to learn word problem and of particular percentage method. So first word problem is given: a textile showroom offers 15% discount on the sale of shirt. If a shirt costs rupees 80, what is the discount amount? Okay, so one showroom is there. So the showroom offers 15% in the cost of 80 rupees shirt. So what is the amount of the particular shirt? What is the discount amount of the particular shirt? So here very first in this word problem we write our all answer in sentence. So what is given in the questions: textile showroom, right? Textile showroom offers 15% discount. In the next line, write cost of shirt equal to rupees 80. In the third line, write the discount amount. Discount amount is not problem. We are finding the discount amount of particular shirt. The discount number is given, the value of the shirt is given, but the discount amount is not there. So here we are finding the discount amount of particular shirt. So write 15% of rupees 80, then write 50 upon 100. Why we are writing here 100 denominator? Because 15% is given. So percent, whenever the percentage symbol is given, always write 100. Write 15 upon 100 into 80. Use cancellation method, cut both the 0, then cut the 10 with 5, then cut the 8 with 4, then cut the 5 3s are 15. So rest amount is 3 and 4. So answer is 3 and 4. So 4 3s are 12. Next, what problem? Beulah scored 12 marks out of 25 in the first test and 16 marks out of 20 in the second test. Here two tests the Beulah had given. In the first test, she scored 25 marks out of 25, 12 marks out of 25, and in the second test 16 marks out of 20. In which test did she do better? So in this question, very first we find out the both test percentage. So very first we find out the first test particular percentage, then write value scored marks equal to 12, total marks equal to 25. So percentage of this particular marks of the first test, then write 12 upon 25 into 100, then cut 25 4s are 400, rest amount that is 14, 12 and 4, then multiply both the number, 12 4s are 48. So the percentage of the first test is 48%. So she scored 48% in first test. So let's solve in the let's solve the second test. Then write second test, Beulah scored marks 16, total marks 20, and find out the percentage of this particular second test. Then write 16 upon 20 into 100, then cut both the 0, then cut 2 5s are 10, the rest amount that is 16 and 5, then multiply both the 80, then write 80% the second test. So she scored more marks in the second test. So compare both the tests. So which test is more, which in which test she scored more marks in the second test? How many percent? 80%. So write 80% in the second test. In the second test she scored 80%. In the second test she did better. Write always your final answer like this in a sentence at the time of word problem. Next, exercise 1.8 is about average, how to find out the average. So here the new formula is given. The formula of the average is average equal to sum of all the values and the number of the values. Before using the formula, very first we have to find out the sum of all the values and next the number of values. So here you can see the question is given a 11, 13, 17, 19 and 20. So very first here we add all the numbers, because very first we're finding the sum of all the values. Sum of all the values means here we add all the given number. So write sum of all the values equal to 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 20 equal to 80. And next finding the number of values. How many number is given? 11, 13, 17, 19 and 20. Total 5 number is there. So write 5. Next apply both the number in this formula. Then write average equal to sum of all the values upon number of values equal to the sum of all the values is 80 and the number of values 5. Then use the cancellation method, 16 5 is 80, then cut both the numerator and denominator and write 16. So our average is 16. So like this way here we find out the average. Next, I'm explaining you how to find out the average in the word problem. One word problem is given. First, Rita saved rupees 30.00, rupees 54.00, and 57.00 in the 3 months. Find her average saving per month. Here we are finding the average saving the per month. What is the average saving in her per month? So Rita's code, write down the all the values given in the question. Rita saved 30 rupees, 54 rupees, and 57 rupees. Sum of all the values. So here we add all the number. 30 plus 54 plus 57 equals to 141, and the number of the values given 3. That means total 3 number is there. So that is why here we write 3. Then apply all the values in the formula. Write formula average equal to sum of all the values upon number of values, 141 upon 3. So here we do the cancellation method, cut both the number, then we will get 47. So she saved 47 rupees in every month, in per month. So write rupees 47 her average saving per month.